So here we have the three kits. We have the steering wheel colour repair kit, we have the shoe colour repair kit, and we have the leather jacket colour repair kit. And we're now going to explain all of those kits to you individually. So here we have the leather steering wheel scuff repair kit. This will work on all types of pigmented leather, not just steering wheels. It will do scuffs on car seats like bolsters, or on furniture at home, or even on pigmented handbags or pigmented wallets or anything like that. As long as it is a pigmented leather item, this will work. In this particular kit, we have an array of different things. We have a leather cleaner here to clean the leather down first of all. This is your leather prep solution to remove some of the surface colour and grease and grime on the surface. This is then your alcohol cleaner. This is your colour. These are your tints to adjust your main colour, and your two lacquers, a gloss and a matte in this particular kit. They can be mixed together 50-50 to gain a satin, or mixed at any quantities together to gain any sheen level you so wish. You also get a scotch pad with this, sandpaper and cleaning cloths, sponges for application, a mixing pot and toothpicks if you're dealing with something like a perforated leather, just to pick out the holes in the perforation if you get any dirt or if there's any grime lodged in those, or if any of the paint when you're removing it does become lodged up in the perforated leather. It comes in a very handy box. It's a fantastic box to have sat on a shelf within a store, or to buy to restore your steering wheel or scuffing on any leather item. On the back of the kit are all the instructions that you need, along with videos on our YouTube channel how to do all of this correctly. We're always here at the end of an email to answer all your questions. That is the leather steering wheel scuff repair kit. So here we have the leather jacket colouring kit. With this particular kit, it's not just for leather jackets. You can use this on all types of pigmented leather items. So if you have a much larger job to do on a car seat and the steering wheel scuff repair kit isn't sufficient, this particular kit comes with 100 ml of colour, so you're able to do much bigger jobs with this, and it is sufficient for doing a leather jacket as well. With this kit as well, it comes in a nice handy box, so it's fantastic for sitting on a shelf in a store for somebody to purchase, or as a gift for somebody where you want them to revive their leather jacket or handbag, in that case, that is pigmented. First of all, you would get the leather cleaner to clean down your item thoroughly. Once that is done and the item is dry, you would prep over the surface with this particular item here, the leather prep, that is designed to remove dirt, grease and grime and some of the colour on the surface. Once that has been done, you will proceed to use the alcohol cleaner to desanitize completely, ready for the colouring stage. With this particular one, we have this grey colour here in 100 ml. With that, you get the tinters to adjust the colour to make it lighter or darker. That is the main colourant that you would use to colour your leather item. Once that is dry and you're happy with the finish that you've got on the surface, you would seal over with your clear coat sealers. In this particular kit, you get a gloss and a matte. They can be mixed together at any sheen level you wish, or if you wish to mix them 50-50, that is a nice satin sheen. You also get the sandpapers, the sanding pads and the cleaning cloths in this particular kit, with the sponges for application and the mixing pot. That is your leather jacket colouring kit. So here we have the leather shoe upcycle and repair kit. This is the kit that you see here that's for upcycling or recolouring or restoring leather shoes which have a pigmented finish to them. With this particular kit, it all comes packaged in this very nice fancy handy box, so it's perfect to on a shelf in a store for upselling to clients which are looking to revive leather shoes or even handbags in that case. With this kit, you would start off first of all with using the leather cleaner. That is what you're going to use to clean the surface of your leather shoes thoroughly to make sure you remove all dirt and grime. Once that has been done, you will proceed to use the leather prep. That particular item is going to use to remove the surface colour. It is going to degrease and degrime the surface completely, giving you a nice, stable, sterile area once again to allow colouring. Once you have done that, you would use the alcohol cleaner. That just completely desanitizes the surface, ready for the new colour to be adhered to your leather shoes. In this case, we have a nice vibrant bright red. That would be designed to recolour the shoes completely or to revive the red shoes that you've got. If you wished to change the tone slightly to make it lighter or darker, you can use the 3 tints here supplied with the kit. Once that has been done and you're happy with the finish that you have achieved, you would finish over the top with the clear coat sealers. In this case, you get a gloss and a matte, and they can be mixed together at any sheen level you wish to gain any type of sort of gloss or satin or matte finish that you want. If you wanted to mix them together at a 50-50, that gives you a nice, beautiful satin finish. You also get in a range of different sandpapers and sanding pads and cloths to help you restore or upcycle your leather shoes with the sponges and the mixing pot. That is the Leather Shoe Upcycle and Repair Kit. So here we have a selection of 4 small kits. With these particular kits, you have got the Velour Fabric Repair Kit. That is designed to repair things like cigarette burns or small holes in fabric or velour on car interiors. It will work obviously on velour on couches as well if you wish. With this kit you get like a flock fibre, and you get a flock base glue and a sealer to go over the top. You can mix all the fibres in here together to gain different sheen levels if you wanted to as well. So it's a fantastic little kit that comes in this handy box, for the flock fibres. With this particular kit here, this is the Pet Scratch Repair Kit. So if you have scratches that's been created on your leather furniture by your loved pet, then this particular kit is ideal for repairing those sort of damaged areas. It is designed for small sort of damaged areas, not very large areas at all. If you wish to have a much larger area done, then one of our bigger kits will help you do that. This particular kit here is the Handbag Edge Repair Kit. So all the edging that you see on handbags, where the sort of maybe the edge paint has come dislodged or fallen out, that particular kit is perfect for the handbag edging to repaint and reseal those edges of your handbags. With this particular kit here, this is called the Touch-Up Dye Repair Kit. Again, this is designed for small little abrasions on your leather items, whether that is on a pigmented handbag, a pigmented car seat, or a furniture item at home. That kit will be able to sort of use a main base colour with some tints and prep solutions in there to help you mix up and cover up any minor damage ready or prior to selling an item. The fantastic 4 little kits, a great add-on for you to use at home as a DIY project, or even to stock to put in store for your shop. That is the 4 little kits.